So I finally washed my hair today. Yesterday the brace came off, but we had to go fairly early to do a grocery pickup, so I didn't end up washing it even though I had waited so long. I really wanted to. But I feel so much better today, so much more refreshed after not having washed my hair for, like I said, about a week or two because of the brace on my wrist. And so this is today's outfit of the day, this little kind of like Hawaiian print top and this really long denim-like skirt. And I was asking Yvonne which one I should wear with this because I have one very similar. This one is in like a shorter size though, shorter length. But it is a darker blue and he suggested getting rid of the long one, which that's what I was thinking as well. So I think I will get rid of the long one after I wear it today and then keep this one because I think this is probably a more practical length than the super long one. I don't like long skirts and things like that as much anymore anyway. Yeah, I think knee length is probably a little more flattering on me. So I decided to do a little bit of a garden update. Here is the little patch of cucumbers and tomatoes and bell peppers that are over in there that I showed on my last vlog, and as you can see now it's pretty much taking over this whole area. And then the corn has gotten to be huge. It's over the fence now. It's a little sunny so it's hard to see, but yeah, there you can see. And yeah, it's already coming in. And then I've harvested some of the string beans already. But yeah, here's the corn. There's a little scarecrow that we made. And our lawn chairs. Vaughn finally got around to mowing the lawn a few days ago. It usually takes a couple days because it's kind of a process. Here's today's casual outfit of the day. It is this cotton print top and these, I think they're a linen blend pant, and I just decided to wear this around the house for today because it's fairly cool and comfortable. And yeah, I'm still trying to decide what to do with the rug you can see in the background over here. And this is what I pulled from our little cucumber patch. As you can see, they're pretty big. I just took some photos in this dress from Stylewe. I think it is so pretty and it feels so comfortable and it looks so much like fall to me. The colors just look like fall colors. I think this is going to be a really pretty one for the upcoming fall season and goes really well with this necklace that I thrifted. And it feels very soft and comfortable. I don't know if it's like a rayon or what, but yeah, it's very soft and very comfortable. So here's what I was working on last night. I decided that I wanted to make some napkins, and my mother had found these a year or so ago at the Dollar Tree, and they're just towels, but she thought it would be a good idea to take them and cut them in half and make napkins. So I did that last night, and then I found this fabric here upstairs in my collection, and I've hemmed some of it, as you can see. I think it's a really gorgeous, beautiful, like dusty pink fabric, and it's going to be so pretty once I finish them and actually steam them and iron them, because yeah, they are rather wrinkled. So here is a look at my outfit for today. It is this little, I think it's a children's top, but it looks kind of nautical, and I went with the gold bracelet, and then I have these earrings that I bought, I think from eBay maybe. They're like little inkers. And then these shorts that were thrifted. And yeah, the top is a little bit tight, so I don't know if I'll wear it anymore after today, but I thought this was kind of cute. I do love the nautical look. I love blue and white and red and gold. I love that whole combination like this. Here's today's really fun and colorful outfit of the day with this really wild and crazy skirt. And then yeah, we've been cleaning the fireplace to make that look a little bit nicer, so that's why everything looks a little weird back there. But yeah, this is kind of a fun outfit. Today is the day that we try our new baking sheet that I got from Walmart.com. This one is about as big as my entire oven. one of the shelves. So we're gonna try that, and we're gonna use this what is this? Crescent rolls from Walmart as well, and it'll be our first time trying to make those for breakfast this Sunday morning. Yeah, so this one was around $14, I think, and yeah, it is 15 by 21 inches, and it did come with the cooling rack too. I thought that would be cool to try. So here are the results of my first attempt at making croissants out of the can, and unfortunately I did not know that you, oh yeah, they're kind of burned too. I didn't know that you weren't supposed to, you're supposed to not freeze the can. So yeah, they were kind of sticky and it was really hard to get them apart, and hopefully they'll taste good even though they look horrible. Another thing I didn't realize was how tiny these were going to be. So I have my croissants here, 2 slices of ham, cheese, and an egg, and it's going to be some type of sandwich. I just finished sewing these 2 napkins on the machine, and I'm very happy with how they turned out, and it saved a lot of time and energy, so I didn't have to hurt my wrist, which is still recovering. Next up, I want to make a small tablecloth out of this fabric here that I got on sale from Walmart. It has the Eiffel Tower and the whole Parisian theme, and then this one that's kind of like the damask, I believe it's the damask type of print. So I want to make 2 different tablecloths. I had thought about maybe making pillows, but I think tablecloths would probably be more useful. And here is a look at the final product of the little tablecloth that I made. And as you can see, it fits in this little, like a breakfast nook that we have in our kitchen. It fits in here very well, and I decided to go ahead and decorate it for a picture. These are the napkins that I made. I made 2 of them by hand, and then I finally got the machine out because my wrist is still bothering me. But I think that this is so cute, and the fabric was the remnants, or some that I've had for years, that I made the napkins out of. And then the tablecloth was just a little piece that I got from Walmart that was on sale for like $1 or something. But I think that that is so pretty. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Today is Tuesday, and something exciting has happened. For the first time ever, I have actually done my own French braids. I think French braids. I don't know if you can tell that it looks a little different than my usual, like, well, not that I usually wear them, but pigtails that I sometimes wear. So yeah, I don't know why, but this size longer. I guess I must have done this one tighter, and so it hangs down longer. But anyway, yeah, I'm wearing this cute tee that is from Shein. It has the little, probably like pink lemonade and then like regular lemonade, I don't know, but anyway, it's got a little jar of a drink. I thought that was cute. And then these shorts that I thrifted, I thought the green actually kind of matches. But yeah, a very casual and comfortable outfit for today, Tuesday. And here are a few things that came in the mail today. This really pretty maxi dress, and this one here that looks like it's gonna be nice for fall. Very like fall colors, I think, especially. And then this new tablecloth that I bought from Walmart. It I thought it would be pretty with like my yellow and white plates with the lemons on them that I got from the Dollar Tree. This was, I think, like $15.95, and it is 60 by 102 inches, so hopefully it'll work well on the gold room, gold dining table. But yeah, I bought that because for some reason lately I'm just like obsessed with tablecloths. I don't know why. I think it was because of a pretty little table setting that I saw on Facebook. But yeah, I bought this one, and then I have a checkered one coming in the mail as well. That one looks more like the classic red and white gingham that you see at like Italian restaurants or something like that. So yeah, I'm expecting that one that I bought from eBay to come pretty soon. I decided to steam the new tablecloth before I put it on the table, and this is how I do that. I use like the cheap racks that are too flimsy to really hold clothes very well. I use those for my haul videos and then also for steaming things like this because it really saves your back not to have to iron them. It's just so much easier this way. So it is done. I don't know why, but I really love this print, and I don't usually like blue and stuff like that, but I'm liking it a lot more lately for some reason. And yeah, and it's all nice and steamed now, so I'm gonna let that cool and then put it on the table and see how it looks. So here is the new tablecloth, and then here is this yellow and blue toile fabric, and I had a bunch of that, and I was wondering if I could make a table runner or napkins, but it turns out that I have enough to make napkins and a table runner, so we'll see how that works out. So this came in the mail today. It is a 2-layer rack. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back far enough to show you, but yeah. That's the top part, and over here you can see a normal sized rack. What I wanted to do was replace the one that was in here because it was pressing up against our washing machine. And so yeah, now I have, yeah, there's like dirt off of my boots. I need to clean that up. But I have the bottom rack full of the top rack, and then what I want to do is limit it to this. So yeah, I got this on sale from eBay. It was an open box, so it was cheaper than the one I saw on Amazon, but on Amazon I think it's about $60. It has a 250-pound weight limit, and it seems sturdy so far, so I think this is a good one to get if you're in the market for a double rack. You can't really tell much about it, but it does fit 2 layers of shirts for somebody my size. There are a few that hang down, but these are like long, they're like almost dress type tunic thing, and this is like a little poncho type thing. So I'm really happy with this. This is so cool because yeah, it gives me all of this space here that was taken up with the other rack that I had in here. And it holds the same amount. So it holds the same amount of clothes as a wider one, but because it's double layer, it holds them in a smaller amount of space width-wise anyway. This is so cool. So what I'm thinking of doing is maybe putting all winter and all summer on one level or the other. Yeah, you can see it a little bit better out here. You can kind of tell how it's tall and fits into that space really well. It's kind of cramped, of course, because this has to be our laundry room and my closet at the moment. Maybe that will change one day. But yeah, in the closet, the laundry room is still kind of a work in progress because I want to put shelving up in there. There's a lot of wall space in the back, as you can probably see. I have stuff setting on there now because I just changed everything out. But yeah, that back wall is pretty much completely blank. So I want to put a lot more shelving in there. And now I have this extra rack here that I can do something with. So that one's going to be a different type of clothing, like maybe dresses or I'm not sure which. But like I said, this one here, the little gray one, is the flimsy one. Those are not really good for storing many clothes on at all. I use that for my haul videos and as a steamer rack for things that are bigger, like tablecloths and that kind of thing. Oh yeah, I have some tidying up to do now. Here's something else that came in the mail today. It's this red and white checkered tablecloth. I've been wanting one like this for a long time. And then also this little pair of earrings with the lions on them. I ordered them from AliExpress a long time ago and they finally just arrived. But yeah, this tablecloth is 70 inches around, so it's really big. I decided, just like with the blue one, it's better to go big and then I can always cut it down if I need to.